What's up, you guys? I'm here to show you my routine for looking cute through all of those Zoom calls that we have to get on lately. So this is me waking up in the morning with my coffee, tired, and just getting ready to start my day. I always like to start with my hair because I feel like even if the makeup doesn't get done, my hair has to look decent, right? So today we're going to talk about this Irresistible Me. This is a synthetic wavy black wig with bangs. So they sent this over to me for review, and at first when I saw it I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I put it on and it's just so cute. So when I'm getting ready for a Zoom call or anything like that, I try to make my looks as effortless as possible. That includes the wigs that I'm putting on my head. I like to keep something on standby that I could just throw on and it looks good at a moment's notice. So this wig is absolutely perfect for that. So first of all, the wig is synthetic, but it looks like human hair. It's so cute. I didn't think I would like the bangs, but I actually really do. You can also put heat on the wig. As you can see, I have my Irresistible Me flat irons. I just turned it on to 300 and I'm just like hitting those bangs a little bit. I'm just making them look the way I like them to look. So that's all I'm doing to this wig, and I feel like I won't have to touch it again. The waves in it are so cute, and literally this is just something that I can slap on my head at a moment's notice if I have an impromptu Zoom call, if I need to go run some errands or anything like that. I do have a link down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or any of the other synthetic wigs that Irresistible Me has on their website, or any of their hot tools or anything like that. I love working with them because the quality of their products is so amazing. So just make sure you check them out. Now moving into the makeup, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using this Rare Beauty brow powder. I actually really do like this brow product. I said powder. This is a brow pencil. I showed you guys this in one of my last videos, which was where I tried out Rare Beauty. I do really like the pencil. I don't like the shape of the pencil, like the actual applicator, but I like how it applies the product, if that makes any sense. It just makes doing my brows super easy. Then I'm going to go into the face. I just prime my face using whatever primer you'd like to use. All the products that I'm using are interchangeable. I do want to let you guys know that. This is literally more about technique and the quick way I do my makeup. So I'm using a Smashbox primer along with the NARS, the new foundation that NARS came out with. I also have a review on that if you have not seen it. So I'm just going to add that to my face using a beauty sponge, and I'm doing a light layer. Well, it was kind of a medium layer, but normally I would do a light layer for Zoom calls. So if you notice, I am not going to set my concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and set my entire face using these two powders. One of the powders is my Urban Decay All Nighter powder that I love, and the other one is a newer, it's the Hourglass Infinity powder, and it just gives you a little glow. So I really love that powder. Isn't the mattest, but it gives you a little glow, just a nice finish to your face, put some life back into your skin, especially if you're not a person who likes to do bronzer, blush, or highlight and you just want an even base. That powder is really nice to go on top. So I'm just going to bronze up my face as you saw, and now I'm using this cream blush by Fenty. I believe this is Summertime Wine, I want to say this one is. All the products will be listed down below per usual, but cream products are super easy and just nice to work with when you're in a pinch. I'm finishing off this look with some clear lip gloss by Fenty, and really this is it, you guys. This is what I do. Very simple, quick and easy makeup and hair. I can do this entire look from start to finish, hair and all, in about 10 minutes and be ready for work super quick and easy. Of course, we also can't forget to change the shirt, so I just changed into this really easy white blouse. What you're wearing on the bottom don't really matter, okay? Just make sure you look presentable up top. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.